Hey guys, my name's Tyler.
And I'm Will.
Welcome back to Whispering Wild. Today is
Trail cam check day.
Booyah! We're looking for big bucks today. Will's been itching. We've set up one farm a month ago, and I set up this farm we're on today 2 weeks ago. I got 2 cams here, 2 cams at another place. We're gonna run through, we're gonna check the cams.
Hopefully there's some big bucks on there. That's what we're looking for.
Not that we're trophy hunters, but everyone likes a good big buck. So I introduced this property when I came here and set the cams up. We're gonna go ahead and roll that intro here in a minute as we're starting to go through and check these. But I just walked up to this one here. Batteries were dead, so I'm gonna run back up. Oh, it's a good sign. I'm gonna run up, get new batteries. Why do that? Here's the intro introducing this property. Hey guys, welcome back to Whispering Wild. My name is Tyler, and today I'm out on another summer scouting mission. I'm on another piece of property I've got permission to hunt on. I haven't hunted here the last 2 years due to being away with Midwest Whitetail and born and raised, but I'm back here, and I have picked up in the past some big deer here. So I've got some Big and J's, apple, and another trophy rock. I'm gonna hang 2 cameras here. A couple years ago I made a mock scrape down this hill. We're gonna go check that out, see if we can if it's still there, and we're gonna pour some of this Big and J down in the bottom of the mock scrape, see if I can get that fired up again, and then I'm gonna hike to the other side of the property and then put out this mineral block, the trophy rock. So let's get to it. It's a hot one today. I'm gonna try and make this quick. I just want to kind of introduce this place again one more time, and yeah, so we're gonna hang this and get out of here. Oh, it is hot, guys. Just sweat my face off. All right, so the original mock scrape I had is no longer here. This tree right here was leaned, it went up, and then I had a mock scrape hanging out off of it. So I end up running back up to the car. I got a saw, and I just cut a new one. It's a little bit rigged up, but I think it's gonna work. I just took a rope, tied this here as like a brace to hold this out, and I'm gonna go ahead and I got some of this Big and J here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump some of that just in the hole right there. All right, so I just gave this a good shake. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Give her a smell. Oh yeah, it smells good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this here. All right, there we go. There it is. It's about half the bottle. Let that soak, and I'm gonna put a camera, that tree right there, about 12 feet from here, and we're gonna be on to the next one. Oh my goodness. Guys, did you see that? A hawk just flew like 10 feet past my head and landed on a branch right there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna walk up to it. There she goes. That was awesome. Okay. Oh man, I'm sweating. So mock scrape is in right here. Trail cam's right there on this tree. So we're out of here. We're gonna hike up the hill now, put out that trophy rock in the other camera, and we're out of here. So stick with us. All right, guys. Got the mineral block here set. Trail cam's right there on that tree. I'm out of here. I'm covered in sweat. And the mosquitoes are horrible, so we'll come back in a couple weeks. We'll check these, and yeah, hopefully we'll have some good action on them. So until next time, I'll see you guys. All right, so this is a mock scrape I rigged up. As you can tell, I've got some jerry rigging up here, but hey, it's gonna work. So I've learned this off of Jeff Sturgis from Whitetail Habitat Solutions, the old vine. And I've had one here a couple years ago and it worked really well. So I had to rig up another one. The tree fell over that I had it previously on. So I just scraped away the dirt, and you guys saw that in the last intro, but I think some animals have hit this. We'll have to check on the cam, but it's still a little torn up, and the deer have definitely been hitting that apple rub stuff I put down, the BB squared or whatever that was. So that's good. We'll go ahead and roll whatever pictures we got from here if there's anything good, and we're gonna hike up to the next spot where we have the trophy rock and another cam. So we'll see you over there.
Just rolled up on the second cam. Tyler is in the background checking the photos. I think we got roughly 175 photos, maybe a couple small bucks so far. We'll see what's on the rest of them.
It's hard to tell on this screen here, but there's gotta be some bucks on here somewhere. Oh, little one there. So anyways, all right guys, we'll throw those pictures up here, and we're gonna huff it back to the truck and head to spot number 2, which we hopefully have some good deer there, we're hoping. So we'll see you there. There we go. All right, we're on. What is it? Bah.
Just walked in. Dude, every time we walk in this place, there's deer. There's another one in there.
Bah.
What do you make that noise for? It's so dumb.
Oh, I'm calling him in, that's why. And there we go. First deer. Walking in here to spot number 2. And I don't know, I think I got some of that. We'll see. I think it was what, a little spike or something, Will?
6 inches?
6-inch spike?
You think so? I don't know.
Shooter. All right, we got John, and yeah, we're gonna go and head and check the cell cam. Then we're actually gonna move the cell cam, and we're gonna go check the other camera. We brought batteries and stuff, could be dead, not sure. Fingers crossed there's bucks on it, so let's do it. All right, so this one we're actually going to move to cell cam. It's only gotten a couple does on it, so there's nothing to show here really, so that's why we're moving it. We're gonna move it up closer towards the fields up top, kind of where there's more deer activity and stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. For real? Pancakes?
Chocolate chip. I don't want them to melt.
Get a good bite in there, Will.
Man's gotta eat.
All right, we picked a spot closer up to this field edge here where there's some more deer activities. Johnny threw the mineral block over there, the trophy rock. We're gonna rig this up and we're gonna go hit that other camera. All right guys, so this one's been soaking for a month now. Let's see what she says. 79 pics, dang. We'll throw them up. Hopefully we got a big buck. If we do, we'll talk about it. All right guys, so hopefully we got some cool pictures here. If so, we'll probably meet you back at my house where I'll wrap this video up and we'll talk over some of them. But fingers crossed we got some good pictures. If not, you know, today's Saturday, July 31st, so we definitely have a full month still of scouting to do. So we're gonna keep hitting it hard and bringing as much content as we can. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. We really appreciate that. Like the video, thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if there's some type of summer scouting or shooting bows or something you guys would like to see from us. So if not, we'll see you next time.